Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will teach you how to turn on in-app purchases are not allowed error on iPhone and iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video without wasting any time. To fix this error, firstly we have to open settings. Scroll down and tap on screen time. Now scroll down and tap content and privacy restrictions. Now we have to enable. After that we have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and tap in-app purchases. The default setting is don't allow and we have to select allow. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, and before you go, please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.